Hello, hi and namaste to my dear student. A warm welcome to you all. Grade 5, are you ready to learn the order pair? Okay, I hope you all are ready to learn the order pair. Now, students, in previous class, might be you have already learned about bar graph, order pairs also. Have you learned it or not? Might be so. So, if we get time, we will learn about it also, okay, for the bar graph. Now, first of all, the main topic for the grade 5 is order pair. So, we are going to learn about order pair at first, okay. So, here in this order pair, I have something to show you. Have you seen this one? See, student, over here, this. Actually, this is the graph. You have your graph paper at your home or not? If you have your graph paper, it's very good. If you don't have your graph paper at your home, you can use the maths notebook or maths copy, square copy, okay? So, this one is 1 square, it's for 1 unit centimeter, or if you try to find it as a meter, you can make it as a meter also, okay? 1 box is equal to 1 centimeter. That means we can make it, these all boxes are it a 1 unit. Got it? It's all are the square. So, this is our graph. Before graph, I just want to make you revised of how to write the order pair. Okay, which we have done previous days in previous classes. Okay, now first you have to know how to make a order pair if their animals and their homes are given. Then see here, students, in this box, in the first box, animal names and their homes is written. So, what I want to say you that, can you make a order pair of that animals and their homes? Let's make the order pair of animal and the homes, okay? So, how to make an order pair? Now, have a look and let's write it. First one is writing bird and nest. Bird, they used to live in the nest, right? So, the order pair of birds and nest. So, they must be kept inside a bracket, and in the middle, there must be a differences that with the comma. It's called a order pair. Now, same like this, we have next one. What is that? It's lion and den. Okay, lion lives in a den. So, lion, comma, den. Same like this. I have a next. That is what? It's dog and kennel, right? So, please write it down once again. Dog and kennel. Okay, then after, horse and stable. So, write down here, horse and stable. So, student, this is the first order pair. Done? Very good. Now, another question is for you. I will say to you, you have to make a note by yourself. You have to make an order pair in your notebook, okay? See here, 5 Asian countries name I have written on this side, and with their capital city, you have to write over here. Okay, and then students, I have given you here 5 names of the Asian countries with their capital city. So, what you have to do? You have to make an order pair with the name of the country and their capital. Okay? So, how to write? You have already known about it. Nepal, it's Kathmandu. So, can you write it? Okay. Then after, India, Delhi. China, Beijing. Japan, Tokyo. Thailand, Bangkok. You have to make an order pair by yourself. Might be you have already written in your notebook, right? So, that means simply you can make a order pair by using a small bracket, and in between two things you have to put a comma. For example, I have written here birds, animal name and their living place as a nest, and in middle I have kept here comma. So this comma is also important to make it different. Okay. So students, like this way might be you have learning in previous class, previous day. Now students, we are going to learn about the graph over here. Okay, now have a look for this graph. In this graph, so here we are going to learn what is this. First of all, before starting a graph, you must know about which point are important here and what we have to do at first. Have a look, students. Have you noticed about the arrow which I have provided over here? Have a look over here. This is the corner point or the origin point. Have you seen O I have written over here? Yes, this is the origin point. So from here, one arrow is showing this side. Yes, vertically, and one line is showing on this side, it's horizontal line, and one line is going upside, it's called vertical line. Have you seen? Okay, let's have a look for the horizontal line. This side, when O and X, we call this horizontal line. Let's give the name for this horizontal line as a OX, whereas X denote for the X axis. Okay, and let's have a look for the vertical line. It's going at upside, right? It's going at upside, right? So this going upside is a vertical line and it's denoted with the name OY, and we call it as a y-axis. X-axis and y-axis, and this x-axis and y-axis, this quadrant is positive. This is the positive sides. Okay, so student, we are going to learn about these things over here. Then after putting the x-axis and y-axis, we have to write here, margin the line over here with the numbers. Have you seen? This one unit, first one unit belongs to 1. This one has a 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have marked up to here with the 10 numbers, right? Let's do the same over here also. Okay, have you noticed this one? This is 1 square unit. So this one is, I'm going to put 1 is here. So 1, another 1 must be started from here. Okay, whatever you are starting. If you are writing here 2, you have to write here 2. Got it? So 1, 1, 2, it will come here 2. Then after 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. I have written here up to 10, and this side also at y-axis also up to 10 units, right? So student, now first, how to write the order points? Let's have a look. I will provide you 4 different points at over here. So are you ready? 4 different points. What are they? Let's have a look. Here, let's give the point. I will provide you the some points and with the name. Okay, point A, point B, point C, and point D. Have you seen? Okay, now students, according to this point, you are going to learn about the order numbers, order pairs. Okay, how to find out the order pair of the given points. You have to know about that one. Okay. So, have a look for this one. First one is, it's point A. Please write down point A. And what is the ordered pair? First of all, finding out the ordered pair, you must know that when we are taking out or finding out the point, then first of all, you have to see towards the horizontal line, moving downwards. First, go steps forward straightly and then see upside, upper part. First, move towards the horizontal line and go towards the vertical line. Okay, jump upside. Okay, that means we have to go this side. See, this point A is here, so we have to go and see from 2. Yes, stop in 2 and see at upside. Wow, above of 2 there is point A. And let's jump the step unit. Okay, 1 unit, 2 unit, 3, 4, 5. By moving 2 step front, jumping at 5 step up. So 2, 5. 2, 5. This is the ordered pair of point A. First of all, going straightly, looking upper part, seeing at up and jump it for the 5 times. That means 2, moving 2 step front, jumping up for the 5 times. That means 2, 5. It's an ordered pair of a point A. Same like that, you have to find out the ordered pair of point B, C and D. Now, let's write down in your notebook what is the ordered pair of point B. Let's find out fast. B, where are you? Here. Let's go first. 4 step forward and look at up. It's in 7. So, 4, 7. Now, can you find out the C? Let's do of C. C is in place of 7. Looking at up, it's 4. 7 times we have to go forward, and when we look at up and we need to jump at 4 times upside, that is 7, 4. Same like this. What is the ordered pair of D? Now tell me, student. The ordered pair of D is, have a look over here, D from 9. Let's see, 9 is going at up. 9. While you see at upside, in place of 10, that D is located, right? So you have to write 9, 10. So student, this moving towards 2, 4, 7, 9. Forward digit is moving towards x-axis and 5, 7, 4, 10 moving towards the y-axis. This is the formula you have to follow. First, you have to go for the x-axis at down and then you have to see for the y-axis. Have you understood this one? Okay. So, student, that means, I hope now, if I give any other more questions, then you are able to find out the answers, right? So, let's find out another one picture, okay? Will you able to plot this picture also? Let's join the figure first of all. A and B. Let's join this one. C and D. Or you can make A, B, C, D. This is the picture. And have you made it? Have you joined it? Okay. So, same like this, we are going to find out the ordered pair of next picture. Okay, my dear students. Now, see here. This is the picture which I have provided to you. So, let's give a point for this picture. First of all, let's plot a point as A, this corner B, this C, this one D. A, B, C, D. So, here, have a look. A, B, C, D. Now, you have to find out the ordered pairs of point A, B, C, D of the picture of quadrilateral. This is same like a quadrilateral or not, having 4 sides. either you can say it's as a rectangle or a square. It seems like better to say it's a quadrilateral. Okay. So, in this quadrilateral, we are going to find out the ordered pair of point A, B, C, D. So, A, B, C and D. Let's have a look. A, point A. What we have to do first? First go to the x-axis, then have a look for the y-axis. So, here point A is 8. While moving towards the 3, when we see from 3, it is in place of 5. So, we have to write 3, 5. So, let's write it 3, 5. Now, B, it's C. Let's see the point B. Let's go toward the x-axis. In place of 6, it have seen over here, and that is in place of, when it goes straightly over here, it's 8. So, 6, 8. So, write down 6, 8. Done? Done. Very good. Same like this. C is here. See here, have a look. 9. While moving towards the here, it's 9. And going upside, 5. 9, 5. Done? Very good. Now, it's time for the point D. That is 6, 2. So, have a look and write 6, 2. Done? Okay, student. So, you can find this type of questions also in your book. So, can you plot the point? Can you join the point? I have shown you how to join the point, right? Plot the point, join the point, and from this type of picture also you can find out the order pair. So, this is the way of finding out the order pair. Okay, student, you must know about the horizontal line and the vertical line. Now, I have next question for you. In the adjoining figure, OX is called x-axis and OY is called y-axis, and the square room along the x-axis are, the square room along the x-axis are in rows and the square room along y-axis are in the column. This side is the x-axis, side is the row, and going to upside in the y-axis is the column, row and column. Done? Very good. So, row rooms along to the x-axis and columns room along to the y-axis. This we call is row, and this going upside. Have you seen this square? That is y-axis, x-axis and y-axis. So, student, that means position of a point A is 3, 5. That is x-axis, y-axis. Done? Okay, then the coordinates. If the position of a point A is x, y, then same as the position after coordinates it will come. The coordinates of point A also same, that is 3, 5. Done? So, student, the ordered pair of numbers that show the position. The ordered pair of the number that shows the position of a point in a graph is called the coordinates of the point. So, we can define it like this way also, right? So, the number of rooms counted along the y-axis is called, x coordinate, right? Along the y-axis is called y coordinate. So, have a look. X coordinate mean 3, 6, 9, 6. It's come at front. That is x coordinate. And which is coming at back side? 5, 8, 5, 2. That is the y coordinate. Done? Okay. Same like this. I have next point. That is, we can say it as a coordinate of a point are x coordinate and y coordinate. Every time you have to remember x and y. That is x coordinate, y coordinate, x axis, y axis. Okay. That's mean. Now, I have one question for you to practice. Let's have a look. So, here a point, see? Now, after joining that point, you have to write it by, after finding out the order pair, you have to join that point also, okay? You need to plot over here. The question is A 2 3, B 1 5, C 6 4, D 3 7, E 4 8, F 5 2, G 7 1, H 4 5, I 6 2, J 8 1, and P 1 2, Q 3 3, R 5 4, and S is 7 5. Now students, you need to plot the point in the graph. Okay, are you ready to plot the point? Now see here, first one is 2 3. Going first, have a look for the x-axis side, that's 2 and 3. Let's go 2 and 3. Plot a point over here and write down as a A. Then after B 1 5. 1 times and 5 over here. Will you write? It's a B. So, then after it's 6 4. 6 times go on the side. Then have a look for the upper part, that is 4. 6 4. It's C. 3 7. Let's go. 3 times here and 7 times off. So 3 7 is here. Let's write it D. Then after E 4 8. 4. Let's go to off. It is here. That is E. Now F 5 2. So 5. F is 5 2. Write down here F. Now Z 7 1. Go to this side. It's 7 and upper part it's 1. Z. Now then 4 5. 4 5. Where it is? Here. Write down H. Done. Then after I, it's 6 2. So let's go on this side. 6 2. I. Then after J, 8 1. 8 1. J. Then it's time for P. 1 2. 1. Plot the point 2. It's P. Then after Q, 3 3. Go first of all 3 side and have a look for upper part, that is here 3 3. Then it's a Q. So R 5 4. Let's go over here. 5. Go upper side. It's 4. That means it's R. Now 7 5. Where is it? 7 5. It's here. So we call it S. So many points we have plotted over here. So according to the points, can you join it? How to join? If you are writing, if you are plotting the point only, you will feel more difficult to join the line. So that's why you need to, after plotting a point, you need to write down the A, B, C, D like this way, okay? So let's join the point and the line. Let's have a look. Let's join it. A after B came, so A after B comes, so B. B to
C. C to D. Can we draw it like this way? D to E, E to F. Where it is F? F to G. G to H. Where it is? Can you join it? S to I. I to J. J to no K, right? So, P. From J to P. Can you draw like this way? P to Q. Q to R. R to yes. Yes to
completed. Now every point are connected over there, right? So that means it's became zigzag. But if it is said to join the points, you have to join. Don't think that what it looks like. Don't think that it's not a figure. Then what you have to do, you have to join the point after plotting it. If the question asked, you have to complete the questions too. So like this way, students, we will complete our coordinates order points. So that means let's have a short review on it. After learning order pairs, we must know about the x-axis, y-axis and coordinates. That is coordinates points. So coordinate points and x-axis, they are related with each other. X square belongs to the rows, x-axis belongs to the row side and y-axis belong to the column side. So row and column, horizontal line, vertical line, right? Then after coordinate points and position and their order pairs. If you understand this maths, then you will know more about it and you can easily plot the point. So please keep on practicing and have a good day ahead.